Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 12. We are halfway through Vlogmas and whoa, we have survived. We haven't had an anxiety attack. We haven't cried. All is well. So for today's video, we are putting together my hot chocolate station slash coffee bar. I am so excited because you guys know that George and I are just big coffee drinkers. I have always said that I wanted to make a cute yet functional coffee station and I've just never gotten around to it. So what better time than now during the Christmas time, and I'm so excited. So let's head into my kitchen and let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I showed most of this stuff in previous hauls that we've done, so I'm not gonna go too in depth about that, but this is the area that we're gonna be working with. It's pretty small, but it's not too small. I think it's gonna fit everything that I want to do with it, hopefully. But first things first, I want to clear the counter and sanitize it.
Nice.
Look how cool.
So pretty.
We've always wanted one, you guys.
I've always wanted one. She's talking about, oh, let's put it in some kind of a container. No, I want this.
Oh my god, that's so nice. It matches the Keurig, so nice.
I hope we have enough K-cups to put
I'm
in
saying.
it. Shoot, we have to buy more K-cups.
I wish we had something that could go right there, maybe like some lights. Do we have any more fairy lights?
Beautiful.
Cute!
Being all extra over here.
For some hot chocolate. Okay, which one do you prefer?
The owls.
Owls?
Or the fox. I don't know.
Let's see. Oh my god! So let's try the reindeer. Okay, yeah, I think the owls. Alright, you guys, so I think this is it. I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like it's cute, but it's functional as well. So ever since we got this Keurig a long time ago, we've been wanting a carousel like this one. We actually ordered it on the Target app and we went and picked it up. It was ready for us when we got there, so that was cool. I used another cake stand to kind of raise it up so that it wouldn't get lost with all the other things that I wanted to put on here. We have cookie straws, we have chocolate spoons that have peppermint on them, and then we have marshmallows for hot chocolate. And right here I have this beautiful marble cake stand that I picked up from Marshall's. And we just have some holiday donuts from Krispy Kreme. And the only decor items that I have on here are these 3 Christmas trees. And then the sign that says "But First Coffee." And that LED cloud that we have back there, I used to have it in the background of my videos a long time ago. And then right here, this I just picked up from Target Dollar Spot like a year ago. And I've been waiting to use it on my hot chocolate station. And then this little mug came in a set of 2 from a Hallmark collection. But in that set was this one as well that has a reindeer, a Christmas tree, and a fox. I also had these snowflake marshmallows that I wanted to display somewhere on here. I don't think I can possibly put anything else on my chocolate bar, so if I want some, I'm just gonna dig in straight from the bag. That way they don't get stale too. But as you can see, I went for the mini marshmallows, which I think are better for the hot chocolate anyway. And that is it for our hot chocolate station. It literally took me longer than I thought to put it together, but I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you guys liked it. And now let's make some hot chocolate. Hey babe, do you want some chocolate?
Yes.
With marshmallows?
Yeah.
Do you want hot chocolate or do you want a latte?
I want a hot chocolate.
Okay. There you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hot, hot, hot. Let go, let go.
Sorry.
Wow. It tastes even better because it came from the chocolate station. Yes.
Wait, I want to make my hot chocolate and sit with you. Here, how about you chat with our friends while I make myself a hot chocolate?
Here, before I chat with you guys, let me get all festive. Hey, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. I see you guys in the comments. Y'all guys are hilarious. You guys are great. Thank you for making me the winner of the gingerbread house competition. We're gonna do something with those gingerbread houses soon, I think. I didn't do anything to yours, I promise.
Right.
In tomorrow's vlog, we're gonna go Christmas shopping.
Finally.
Yes, finally. And then we're gonna walk around in the woodlands. And it's going to be so beautiful.
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah.
Clean up a little bit, George. Hello there. Welcome to my coffee shop.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I got you a hot chocolate.
Oh, is this a coffee shop or a hot chocolate shop?
Coffee shop, but we serve hot chocolate too.
Did you run out of coffee?
No.
Oh.
Do you want a coffee?
No.
Then shut up. Hey, I want to wear my Christmas hat.
Here it is.
Cheers, mate. Cheers. Oh, it's so hot. Hey, can we watch Elf? We still haven't watched Elf.
Yes. So watch Elf tomorrow.
Today, yeah.
Today. It's almost tomorrow.
Thank you guys so much for joining us in today's Vlogmas video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.